Well, I'm putting that 3D printed purge plug to work. It's doing a pretty decent job. That's about what you're looking for on sanitary welds. You want your root to be nice and shiny, kind of silver. Some places will allow a small amount of color, some won't. I get lucky where these are going and the color's not that big an issue. It goes through a passivation process. But that's about what you're looking for a sanitary root. It needs to be nice and flat. You can't have any concave spots or anything. No spots for bacteria to build or anything like that. It looks a little funny on this end. This is an air conveyor is what it is. There's a two-piece to that. It looks a little funny because this side of the air conveyor's got a weird lip. So it's about twice as thick as a normal like sanitary fitting. So it's kind of got a bevel on the inside of it. And that's kind of why if you look real close here, it'll kind of look like that root or that bead is at an angle, and it more or less is at an angle because the inside of this side of the air conveyor is bigger than the ferrule. But just kind of how it goes on these. The other end is a little better. So this would be the other side of the air conveyor, and you can see it's a way more flat bead. It doesn't have that small transition where it goes from a thicker material to a thinner material, but that's basically what you're looking for. You need a nice solid flat bead if the camera will focus. Like I say, you can't have any concave spots or anything like that. Some places, even this small amount of color that's in here, I had a couple of these that my tape kind of peeled back on when I was welding, so you can see as I was going around the color starts to appear, and that was because the tape that I had on the back side of this started peeling off. Some places, plants will let you get away with the color and some won't. Like I mentioned earlier, these go through a passivation process, so the color is not that big a deal. But I have been places where that would be considered a cutout in some places. But we get lucky here, so I've got 7 of these to do total, so 14 welds and about halfway done, and it sounds like a storm's coming up, so we're just gonna try to knock these out as quick as we can.